Good morning, class. Welcome to day 3 of your graphic design unit. This video will discuss today's task list and the assignments that need to be completed. So your learning goal for this assignment is to plan and create a graphic design advertisement using visual organizational strategies that clearly communicates information or ideas using digital media technology. And I know that learning goal is a mouthful. It's a lot. When you break it down, it's actually quite simple. You're just creating an advertisement of a consumer product used by organizing your images and all of your elements of art graphically on your sketchbook program. In my opinion, the most beneficial video to watch is in the day 1 folder so that you can watch the fundamentals of graphic design. That video is excellent. That will show you how to create a strong, cohesive, unified advertisement so that your artwork can be as strong as possible. So please watch that if you haven't already. I know not all students watch all the videos, even though you are required to. They're there to help you, but please go back and watch that if you haven't already. Your central question is, how do artists and designers create works of art or design that effectively communicate information or ideas? So basically, how do you create an artwork that effectively communicate what you want it to? So if you're trying to sell a product, how do you sell that product? How do you get that message to the viewer? What things can you do in your artwork? So you should be thinking about that as the days go on, because you will be answering that EQ for your learning log at the end of the unit. Then your vocabulary word for today is layering. We discussed that a little bit yesterday. We're going to get more into depth with that today. So your first task list is to watch the layering video. This will help with today's entrance ticket questions and answers, so please watch that. Then once you've watched it, you'll have all the information you need to answer your entrance ticket. You're going to answer what is layering and how is layering an effective technique to creating a graphic design. Once you've done both of those, lastly, you'll just continue working on your graphic design advertisement and submit a screenshot of your progress to the day 3 student progress. Now at this point, it's important for me to discuss that some students might finish their projects early. This is a project that some students do finish quickly. I'm not saying you should finish quickly. I'm not trying to get you to finish it quickly, but if you do, if you're in that category and you do, and it is a solid 95, 100, 95%, 100%, you can still submit it. Just submit it to the day 6 folder for the last day of the unit under the final project, and then just complete your learning log and just get that done with so that you can spend the rest of the time in class making up any missing work that you might have. But again, if you do finish early, you should still be submitting some kind of daily drawing, some kind of daily artwork to show that you're doing art in class that day. You still need to submit those photos for your student progress reports. All right, that's all I have. Please message me if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing your designs get stronger as you add more elements to them. And I will talk to you all soon in the layering video. All right, bye everyone.